Hello viewer, if you face RCS group chat not loading, let's see how to fix RCS group chat not receiving in Google Message. Step 1. Tap and hold on Google Message app. Click on I button. Scroll down and go to Message Storage. From the lower corner, clear cache data from Google Message app. Now go back to your home screen. Now follow the second step. Open Google Play Store. Tap on search icon. Now search Google Message app. From Google Play Store or App Store, update your Google Message app. After complete the update process, go back to your home screen. Now step 3, open Google Message. Click on Message Profile. Now tap on Help and Feedback. Click on Send Feedback. Allow one-time access. Now write down, Hi Google Message Support Team, my RCS group chat not loading in my Google Message. Please solve this issue as soon as possible. Then send your report to the Google Message Support Team. So follow these 3 steps to fix RCS group chat not loading problem.